Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi at-tayyibin at-tahirin. Welcome to this video. I'm going to be making a big announcement today. In light of the tremendous response I have received from viewers, both new traffic and subscribers, on my René Guénon series and my René Guénon reading list and my Julius Evola reading list, I have decided actually to offer a course, an online course devoted to Julius Evola as a kind of introduction to his writings, which present quite a challenge, I think, to modern readers, especially readers who are coming to the works of Evola for the very, very first time. I really think that Evola's writings are very important. I think that, yes, he is a controversial figure, but nevertheless, I think he does have a lot of interesting things to say. And I think that he deserves close and precise reading. So this course is being put together for that purpose. I'm also going to have a number of other videos, which I'll be making soon. There was a request for, more videos devoted to traditionalist authors. So I'm going to be making, I've got plans for a video on, a reading list video on Frithjof Schumann, reading list video on A.K. Kumaraswamy, a video on sort of the, not necessarily lesser, but less prolific traditionalist authors like Martin Lings, Marco Pallas, Titus Burckhardt. Let's see, there's some more, Leo Shīʿah. A modern, contemporary one is Charles Upton. And there's also Sayyid Hossein Nasr. He deserves a video, and his writings deserve a video in their own right, so I'll be doing that as well as some people who are maybe somewhat influenced, but weren't necessarily part of the so-called traditionalist circle, figures such as Henry Corbin, or Henri Corbin, Henry Corbin, or people like Toshihiko Izutsu. So do stay tuned for that as well. In terms of the Evola course, I'm calling it Surfing the Kali Yuga, an Introduction to Julius Evola. This course is going to begin in August. It'll take place on weekends, Saturdays and Sundays. So the first week will be August 6th to 7th, then the second week will be 13th to 14th, then the 20th to the 21st, 27th and 28th, and then September 3rd and 4th. It'll run over 5 weeks. The syllabus has been prepared. You can look at the syllabus. You can download a PDF of it at the link provided in the description. It'll take you to a Google Drive, and you can download it. But the readings will be taken from some of his more accessible works, such as Meditations on the Peaks, the Metaphysics of War, the Bow and the Club, as well as the Metaphysics of Power. In addition to those, we will read his Orientations, 11 points, which is published in his collection known as A Traditionalist Confronts Fascism, as well as the sort of pamphlet which he wrote called René Guénon, A Teacher for Modern Times. So please do follow on that link. All of the details there. This is a paid course. All of the details about the course are given in the syllabus, so please do go to the link. Remember to like and subscribe, share this video, and also feel free to share that PDF link or the PDF, the actual PDF of the syllabus with anyone you think who would be interested. Full contact details are given there also, including my email, etc. Please do have a look at that. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you soon.